neat installation. Dumping core, wet washed, into a feed hopper. Comes out into a belt conveyor. This feeds into a KP16 screw press. The liquid is squeezed out. The last, usually 2/3 of the screen. It's going like the last half of the screen right now. That press could be running partly empty up here. They don't have a level control. There's no free liquid in this. You don't see any of the inlet hopper screen. Nothing comes out there. And here's the press liquor, the pump, and press cake comes out here. This press cake, you can squeeze a few drops out of it. They'd like to get it drier, but we run out of torque. Our motors, our gearbox, are a little under torque. And it goes over here. Conventional KP16 press, moving core. Here's the press liquor falling into the tank, being pumped away. 1220 out.